What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Gonna go over for an SPX6900. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in someone. In something. But I am doing the analysis. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along. We're seeing $1.29. We're up almost 9% on the day. Market cap 1.2 billion. 24-hour volume is 99 million. So if we hop into the chart, a couple scenarios we can look at. We have a nice ABC correction. Now, if we fail to break the wave one high, then we can go through a WXY. But if we can come up, if we can push from here and break above $1.40, then we can see a straight push up in a wave three. I can give you a target for that. All you have to do is take a trend base to extension from the bottom of that wave one to the top, bottom of that wave two, and you would target the 161.8. So if we did push from here, you could look for a target of $2.07. As you can see, when the market does recover, SPX is a top mover. It was like 20% yesterday or something like that. Another thing I want to show you on the daily chart, nice little inverse head and shoulders here. We already hit the target of this massive inverse head and shoulders, so we want to break this resistance zone and go into price discovery, which of course will be very, very exciting. So if we take a measurement, take it to the neckline, which would be the point of breakout, then that can take you all the way up to $2.26. That's what I'm looking at for SPX, looking for $50 a coin in the bull run at least. Most of these guys are looking for $100 a coin. We'll have to see how it plays out. If you want completely free access to my trading group, we're going to trade for Ethereum, hit our TP1, my daily crypto analysis. Just take 30 seconds of your day, sign up to Bitfinex. This is one of the top exchanges. That's all you have to do. There's no catch. Once you sign up, send me an email. All links are in the comments, and I will send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects. Apollo, stop. My dog is terrorizing my cat. Including SPX, my trade setups, we're going to trade for Ethereum, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members in the group. All you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. No strings attached. Send me email. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.